Association of Corporate Advisors and Executives, ACAE, founded in 1960, proudly celebrates its 65th anniversary, marking decades of excellence. ACAE has consistently led in educating its members through insightful meetings, seminars, lectures and conclaves. ACAE is excited to introduce the ACAE Skills Academy. ACAE Skills Academy will deliver a hands-on, immersive and dynamic approach to education, making learning more interactive and relevant. Through specialized certification programs, the ACAE Skills Academy will enable members to upskill and reskill in line with evolving industry standards and demands. Let's come together to empower our members with the expertise and skills they need to lead in today's ever-changing world.